Damn, I made one. Damn, I made one. Yeah, she know that she my ride or die. So all you haters looking, you could try me. Cause I'm down for whatever when she by my side. Damn, I made one. Damn, I made one. Yeah, we always be down for life. One of the baddest chicks in this club. One of the only girls that I love. Been down with her since day one.
Hey guys!
It's Fabiana.
It's Ashanti.
And we
are
are
the Ironic Dolls.
So today we're going to be doing a mukbang or mukbang or
Whatever y'all call it.
Right, we call it mukbang.
So what we're going to be doing right now is
We have Domino's. We have the lava cake.
That's the best. That's the only chocolate I could really eat. We got that. We got paper plates.
We got a drink. We got
cups.
a drink. We have some hot wings.
You know, people be thirsty. So yeah. Oh. What's this? So yeah.
Okay. So we about to be eating. We about to be talking. We're not even gonna edit this. Well, we could zoom in, but we're not gonna edit it like that.
So yeah, we're not touching this video at all. So like, if it's unprofessional, it's because we did not do enough into it.
Talking,
uploading, and that's it.
Yup.
Period.
We got the wings right here. We have our plates. Shanti, sit down. You gotta do a thumbnail. Hurry up. Hold the pizza.
Wait, I'm gonna put a cup in it. Wait. Okay. So, guys, let's get to the food.
Let's get it. Okay. So,
what do I want to start with first?
I think I'm gonna start with wings.
Guys, when I tell you I could eat,
we could eat.
We could eat, but I eat more.
No, I eat more now. She got blue cheese. These are hot wings too. These looking scrumptious. So let me tell you guys something. So when we went to go get the food,
it was a Jamaican guy,
and he had lights. So we're gonna insert a video right here.
Yeah. He had lights, so he said he was wanted by the feds.
But he was cool.
Yeah, he was alright.
Ha! Ha! Oh!
Nah, like, you know us Jamaicans.
What he was listening to? And
he was listening to that word. Just know we could have been like,
I like the hot sauce. Stop playing, yo.
Okay, so like, we did a video before this one, so go check that video out.
Y'all gonna be feeling mad. Stop looking at me through the but y'all gonna be seeing mad videos of us in the summer.
Facts. That's facts, cause she's moving in.
I'm 15. She's, how old are you?
I'm 16, turning 17.
Yeah.
Which means
Happy birthday on June.
Yeah.
you know the vibes. So guys, we're on the phone, right, with one of my friends, and like, I have a other friend that gets me so mad. So like, when I'm mad, like when I'm trying to get the person's attention, I'll be like, "Cola!" Like I get so mad. I get so mad. So then I was on the phone with my friend, and then like they're not paying attention to me at all. So then that's when like I'm trying to like yell out the person's name, cause like I really needed advice on this one thing, and they was playing a game. So instead of saying name, I was like, "Cola." We started dying, yo. I walked out the room and everything, like, no.
He didn't even peep.
At all. But it's like,
That's good.
It is.
What else?
Um,
Oh, let me tell y'all. So, 2019, how been 2019 for you?
it's been alright. So guys, a lot of stuff just been happening. Like we're losing people back to back.
Mm-hmm.
And it's not like I'm losing them by myself because like we share our friends or whatever. So like, if she don't like somebody, I'm not gonna like them too because like this is my girl right here. Period. So like if I don't like somebody, she don't like them either.
Mm-hmm.
If I'm
And
arguing,
like mad people been trying to argue and stuff. Like,
word,
girl, bring it down. Bring it down.
bring it out and try to sub us and all of that. But it's alright. It's alright. Like if I'm arguing, she's arguing with me for some reason. When she's arguing, I'm arguing. We're like, no, like that's how we roll together.
And I could be like, oh, that's. They would be like, that's jumping type shit.
Yeah,
But it's not jumping. We're connected. We're one person.
exactly. We really
So
are. Like,
basically,
we're one of those females that we don't let not one thing get it. Like it could be like the only thing that gets each other mad is our attitudes and stuff. Cause my attitude is bad. So like half the time I don't know what I be doing, but she be getting mad.
we gonna get mad. Like, we gonna argue right now, and then like 3 minutes later we talking.
We could come for each other hard as hell, just laughing at each other. Like people don't understand.
People take it so serious. They be
People
like,
want our vibes so bad. Like,
shade. Oh, my mouth is burning. Okay. How's your relationship status?
It's complicated, to be honest.
I'm good. I'm chilling. Guys.
Now, what if you see this video? It's like you chilling. We're chilling. At this point, we really are. We're really chilling.
Oh, so it's this fight. And if Ashanti fighting some girl and she can't fight, I'm gonna be like, girl, you can't fight. So I told this girl she can't fight. She gonna get mad because she can't fight. She was swinging and ain't bruised.
We're fighting at cats and dogs. I know you're talking.
Okay, what's up?
And then she blocks us, right? So she's blocking us and stuff. But then it's just like, alright, you blocked us. And then I go to snap, she's like, streaks.
Why are you sending her streaks if you blocked her? Like,
What? Mind you, I didn't even say anything. She was the one coming crazy and stuff. And I'm just like, word, let him know, because nobody don't want it, blah, 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 blah. And then she blocks both of us, but then try to start a streak with me. Mind you, her and that girl and her and that girl used to be so close. I hated them so much because, like, me and Fabiana was close when we was, like, in our younger ages. We was close, but then that's when she started hanging out with her more. So I'm just like, I bet, and they left me to the side. And then that's when Fabiana had moved across town or whatever. And me and the girl became close. And then that's when all three of us, we were just all chilling. And it's just like, nah, like, we don't talk to that girl no more. But, like, if it was her birthday and she invited us, we was there because, like, they had food and all that. And their food was good, no?
for the last video, but fake ass shoes, bitch. You know what I'm talking about?
So, her brother called her fake.
Not my
Jordan.
brother. Not my brother.
The girl's brother.
The girl brother. Fake ass shoes, bitch. Yes, go.
I should have been really bugging on her.
These
Can you
wings.
pass me a wing?
These wings.
Not a leg, a wing. Flaps.
Brother, you took the last flat.
It seems like you like the legs though, and that's nasty.
Hey,
Like this, like it seems like we're throwing shade, but we're really not about the drama and stuff. Like we mad, calm
We
about
just-
everything.
talking about it. If it happened, we could talk
We're
about
just
it.
talking about all stuff that happened, like when people try to argue with us, or like, period.
So Ashanti's birthday coming soon.
Where
And we're gonna vlog.
she's not even gonna be here.
Oh yeah.
Damn, this piece of big as hell. You didn't even eat not one piece of it.
Okay. Girl, we got half left.
I ate the other half though. I really like my pizza, y'all. Like, period.
What was telling y'all? What were we saying? Oh, for her birthday. So she's turning 17. What are you gonna be doing for your birthday?
I mean, like, I don't really want to tell y'all because, like, I don't know who's gonna be watching.
Word.
But
We
my
got fans.
for real, shade. But my birthday is on a Friday, and it's never on a Friday. Like, it's always after like 10 years, it's on a Friday or whatever. And that's the why I'm happy about it, because it's on a Friday now, and I was born on a Friday, and my birthday is the first day of summer. So you say something the first day of
June
summer,
21st,
that's the
save the
day.
date.
But that day I'm trying to go out to eat. I just go to the hotel with my friends and all that. You feel me?
But it's crazy how now it's like, who really are your friends? You understand?
I thought you were so serious saying that.
Like, who's really your friend? Like, y'all could be cool women and then they come throwing shades at you.
Exactly.
They talking, okay. Let's say Ashanti like, let's say Ashanti grades are bad. And I'm like, oh girl, how you need to pick your grades up, that's what you do. Like coming at her and I'll be like, oh you need, cause she helped me. She helped me with my grade. But she be getting me mad. She was taking forever. She was home yesterday. And this girl
Today.
Oh, today. And I'm
damn,
like,
baby. She really said, yo, she's crazy.
I'm like, help me with my homework. I mean, help me with my
She
thing.
says me out of nowhere, help. I'm like, what? I'm in the middle of a Netflix show. I was going to ignore it. But then when I went like that, I just saw photos. I'm like, what? So I thought it was English. Then I saw John Locke. So I was like, oh, hell no. It's history. She know I got problems with my history teacher. And she asked me for help. But it was alright because we learned it, so I knew it or whatever. I knew it. And then
She didn't answer 5 questions. It was like 20 questions.
I just didn't know the true or false part. And then she's like, no what, never mind, because you're blowing my I copy told this guy.
I was like, mind you, he was copying from the boy next to me, so we just like, so we all just looking that way. We like, okay.
And y'all should have got it wrong too.
No, we got a break. He's smart. Buzz got
Those smart kids be coming in handy for real. But the crazy part is I hated history because like I'm always following it. But like the day of this person's birthday.
Who?
Fatimana. The day of her birthday.
You gotta beat the name.
I don't care. Because I'm not saying anything bad. That day of her birthday, I was taking a test and I was getting picked up early. So I only had like 10 minutes to do it because my mom was already there and he just gave it to us. So as he gave it to us and he was like beginning his phone run. So then, there was like, oh, that. What did he say? They was like, oh, you gotta hurry up and take it. I'm like, all right. And I ain't have none of my notes, but I passed with a C, and that's good because, like, if you don't got your notes in history and you pass, that means you really be listening. Probably because he moved my seat.
Where he moved it to? Oh, away from Lily? She was like, Lily keep coming close, and I keep moving me.
Yeah! She keep coming. He's moving me upper.
I'm surprised he ain't moving her like.
He did.
Like, let me stop.
Because we started taking a nature test and none of us did not study. Like, it was a pop-up type.
I hate those.
So then she's sitting next to me. He's like, Lily, move. But like, none of us ain't heard her. Like, I heard, like, we heard him, but she didn't hear him. But we was letting her rock because like we was all gonna tell each other the answers and stuff. But she started talking about Momo and stuff, right? Because the teacher put it up on the computer and then she's like, oh, Momo, this, da da da, talking to the girl behind her. And then that's when he's like, Lily, you're not even supposed to be sitting right there. Why are you talking? Yo, she's such an airhead. She was, yo. And then they moved her seat and then my friend behind me was like, yo, you got version 1? I'm like, yeah. And then she was telling me the answers and I passed with an 82 because I switched it up or whatever. Mm-hmm. And then that's when Lily's in the front, like, looking back, and we're all the way in the back. She's like, she's like, go. So I thought she was done because I didn't see her in the front or whatever. And she still had her touch. She's like, yo. And then she fell.
What?
A 60. It wasn't bad. Like, a 60, that's good.
That's a D.
Exactly.
I was trying to say bring no napkins.
Fact.
What else is there to say? If like we try to make a business like lip gloss.
Yeah, we're trying to make a lip gloss business.
And more stuff's coming up. If like
and
if
then
it gets
on our
successful.
normal Instagram, ironicdolls.
Yeah. So you have any idea how to make lip gloss, how to make it perfect?
Let us know.
Slide to our DMs.
And they're gonna be cheap too.
Then I'm gonna be like $10 for a little small lip gloss like this, and we're not gonna scam y'all, cause we're gonna throw shade now. What's that company called?
Move
Lip, whatever it's called. You never gave her lip gloss, and she paid for it.
Exactly. It's fat. I can't eat that. You want that?
No, you put your mouth on it.
I just went like that though.
No.
Put it over there. Now you put your mouth on it. Girl bomb.
I'm so full.
Guys, this is my last pizza.
Save this for later. We probably get the munchies.
I don't want that pizza now.
Why?
Cause you just took a pepperoni off of it. What you mean?
Okay.
Alright. Wait. I still don't want that one.
Okay, I have that one. So, I'm gonna let y'all know how me and Ashanti met.
Okay.
My nose is running. Give me a napkin.
Ew.
Give me a napkin. Hurry up. This is icy. Hurry up!
Blueface, baby. Yeah, hey.
You only brought me one? That's from my hand. Give me one for my nose.
So we met because of
Was it
this.
6th grade?
It was because of this.
Yep. That's the story behind everything.
This belt. Oh yeah, I took it because he tried to kick me off of it, and he thought he was getting the belt. He thought he was getting the belt back.
So, me and her had the same door. So that safety patrol, y'all ain't know.
And mind you, we was in the same class and everything, and she was always sitting in front of me, but we just never spoke. And it's been like already in the middle of the school year.
Like we spoke before, but we never spoke in person. Like we will be on Facebook. She'll be like, to be honest.
Yeah. To be honest, or whatever. Like, it was like that. It wasn't like, oh, hey. Like, we never spoke at all. And she was always sitting in front of me. Like, when I said group work, we just never spoke. It was always speaking to them and stuff. Like we knew, like yo, you know, we just never spoke. And it was already in the middle of the school year. We're just sitting next to each other, not speaking. I don't know why.
So we have the same door for safety patrol. So it's like two big doors. I'm on this side, she on this side. So basically, we just holding the door.
And that door is the best spot too.
Yes,
no camera.
Okay, so
it had a camera, but it can't see what we was doing.
So she was going up the stairs.
I was
She had a wedgie.
No, I didn't.
So like, and she like, what are you doing? And I'm like taking out your wedgie. She like, what did you say?
I didn't have a wedgie.
She
I
like,
mean, I was just laughing like, girl, why are you digging in my butt for?
And now we became like that.
Over a wedgie.
Yup.
Can y'all believe that?
So if y'all see anyone y'all want to be friends with, just split. Take out
And
the
then
wedgie.
what really made us close was the fact that that same day, she was like sleep over at my house. And you know what I did? Went to her house and then left the same night.
She don't follow. That's why.
My mom made us tacos that day.
Who?
My mom.
She
She
did?
made tacos that day, yeah.
I didn't remember that.
And she went to my house. And I didn't even know the girl. And I was going to just go sleep over. And the crazy
I
part
could have
is,
killed her. No.
my mom, she wasn't going to let me stay. But when I asked her on the phone, she thought I was saying, can my friend come over? And when she saw that I was packing my stuff, she was like, where are you going? I'm like, I'm sleeping over. And she's like, I don't even know the person. So I was like, Mom, just come on, like, it's alright. Like, I was like, I wasn't going to tell her, like, oh, I can't sleep over now. Like, I don't know why.
And we lived right there. It wasn't like, oh, we live 20 minutes or 10 minutes away from each other.
Yeah.
Literally right there.
So then that's when I was like, alright.
You know that house burned down too?
Yeah. So then that's when I was just like, alright, whatever. So I went. And then like 5 minutes later, I was like, Mom, can you go back? Because I was scared. And it was a school night. That's the crazy part. And then that's when my mom was like, I'm glad that you called me and stuff. Because she wasn't comfortable either. She said she was going to tell me, like, oh, something. And I didn't know the girl.
But now she didn't.
Why?
She didn't even know I was sleeping over today. I just said it. I came like this. Suitcase and I'm sleeping
Because
over.
she moved. And
I moved. I'm not gonna let y'all know where though, but I moved.
I thought she was just coming over, like, just to chill and stuff. And then I thought she was bringing her suitcase because, like, the car that she came in, it was a different car.
Oh, yeah, that's Carter's car.
So I thought she ain't want to leave her stuff inside the car. And then we're just sitting here chilling, you know, having our fun time. What made us... So I'm plucking out her hair. And then... I'm looking at the brush and then her hair ball just started flying down. And she's like... And I'm just like... And then we just started dying, yo. Oh my God. It was so funny. It was just mad funny, no, for real. Like, we was really...
We need to dump smash.
We was really sitting there dying.
Oh, we did a video today, so y'all see us in the same outfit. Yeah, know why.
But yeah, and that's when she's like, oh, I'm sleeping right there. I'm like... I was like, you was sleeping
First
over
off, she was happy. She was like, you sleeping over? You sleeping over?
No, for real, because like, every time she come down here, she's never with me.
AK-40.
And it's not like I be missing her, like, yo, you really should sleep over, because, like, we're on the phone every day.
24/7.
When,
Shanti, come on.
as soon as I get out of school, baby wavy, you want to leave.
Shanti, come on. Ooh. We play music. We gonna be like the one that, you know who I'm talking about? No. This.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Hey. Who?
So, like, my hands are dirty.
Who y'all listen to?
So, like, I don't feel like going to go wash my hands because my sink is broken or something wrong.
These is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick. Cut a nigga off, so
Bro, it's over.
look, I don't dance
I said I
now, I
was
make
wrong.
money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now,
Mama ain't your Birkin bag, but you grew up on it, yeah. I told you leave cause I wasn't ready. I couldn't get her out my head. The way you fuck me make me think that you the one I should be with. I feel no pain when I be high and I be fresher than a bitch. So I got Perkins, yeah. Top Mount 30s, yeah. Pour that drink, oh yeah, yeah. With hydrocodone, yeah, yeah. I pop X's, yeah. Half a Xanax, yeah. Shorty sassy, yeah, yeah.
That's the blazing, yeah, yeah.
I love that girl to death. She did some shit that I can't
You
let
know what I did?
slide. She know when we slide. We be tearing up your sick, no lie. You should know.
damn, that's
You
fucked
should know.
up. You done came all the way down to Atlanta, got with your ass beat like that. God damn.
Oh my God. Don't
I feel
kick
so
her, Isha.
bad.
No.
Why did you do that? Why you do her like that? That is terrible. You beat that girl up like that. That's fucked up, Isha. That's fucked up, Isha. Naima, bitch, fuck you. Scare asshole. Look at the way that I walk. I'm shopping at Fendi, you shopping at Ross. You cannot fuck with me, you bitches is off. I'm riding with shooters that's really throwed off. Ooh, you do not wanna fuck with me. They call me Lil Isha and I'm with the shit. I heard that you mentioned it, Isha. In person, Naima, get poppin' your shit, bitch. Naima, you was a lame. Poppin' that shit for the fame. Remember at the church I whooped you. Hush, I'll be quiet, you know I'm with the gang. You don't wanna see me dirty.
Not that you really know it.
Eat this bitch up.
Hold up, wait. It ain't a thing. All this sauce. When I walk through, you salute on the box.
Bro, you pussy. I got something for you whenever you come back to VA. You broke as hell with no ID. You can't get no plane ticket nor bus ticket. Bitch, you stuck in ATL with no clothes. Isha, you can't fight, period. You was pulling on my hoodie, swinging and ain't bruised shit. Bitch, when I see you, it's on sight. And you made that dumbass diss track about me and shit was trash. Kill your producer. Ayo, Fly and Tanner, let's show them how the fuck Jersey do. None of y'all bitches can beat me. None of y'all bitches can beat me. None of y'all bitches can beat me, bitch. None of y'all bitches can beat me. None of y'all bitches can beat me. None of y'all girls can beat me. None of y'all bitches can beat me. My shit don't bounce like mine. I'm a dog. Bitches out. That's right. I'm a dog. Bitches out. I'm a dog. Bitches out. I'm a dog. You calling on my feet. I'm a dog. Your shit don't bounce like mine. Your shit don't bounce like mine. I'm a dog. Bitches out. Period. Bitch, you thirsty. Your fans don't play this. Your fans don't play this. Your fans don't play this. You a clout chaser. Bitch, you thirst on thirst. Bitch, you thirst on thirst. Bitch, you thirst on thirst. You wanted to eat my pussy though. Your shit don't bounce like mine. Don't bounce like mine. Don't bounce like mine. Don't. Bitch, you. None of y'all bitches can beat me. Beat me. Beat me. Beat me. Beat me. Beat me. Hear me. Beat me. None of y'all bitches can beat me. Beat me. Beat me. Beat me. Last time we kissed and your nigga was there.
Alright, that's the end of our mukbang bang.
If it was boring, goodbye.
Bye.
If you liked it, like, comment, subscribe. We tired. We out of breath.
Thanks.
Felt like we ran a whole marathon.
Oh man, chill out. Peace. Really out there, like, subscribe, comment down.